What's the meaning of A-frame? A-frame. 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 An A-frame is a type of structure that has a steep pitched roof shaped like the letter A. It typically consists of two large beams or panels that slope inward and meet at the top to form an apex, while the bottom edges rest on a horizontal beam. The design is simple yet efficient, making it ideal for various uses such as cabins, ski chalets, and beach houses. The A-frame is also popular in the construction of tiny homes due to its compact size and ease of construction.